Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will explain how to create Ubuntu instance. So, to create Ubuntu instance, you should log into your AWS console and then go to services and select EC2. Then after click on a launch instance. Then this kind of screen will appear on your PC and click on launch instance. Then first you should give a name of an instance. Here I am giving UI1, and after giving a name I have to set the AMI and select Ubuntu because I want to create Ubuntu instance. Then I have to go to create a key pair, and first I have to give a name of a key pair, selecting RSA, and select .ppk file and create a key pair. Then after you should select all the parameters which is shown on a screen. Then here you have to write how many instances you want to create, just here, and then click on launch instance. Then after your instance will successfully created, then just now open a putty generator and load our ppk file to connect it and in .pem format. Then save it, and then it will generate a key, and we have to save a private key and click on OK. Then save it with a new name. Now one putty and open a putty and paste it an API address. Then go to SSH, then auth, and then go to credential and give it a path to the key. Then it will show you some security alert, and read it carefully and accept it. And then we will see our Ubuntu instance is ready. Just give your username here and your instance will start running. And now you can perform some commands like pwd, date, mkdir, and so many commands, and you can also create some of directories and input a data inside it, and you can also host any server by using a Ubuntu instance. So this is all about Ubuntu instance and how to create a Ubuntu instance. So what is instance, and all the instruction of instance is already given in this file, and which link is already given below. Now how to create instance, for this we will do a practical.
Okay, guys, as I explained before, let us start with our practical. We need to log into our console and just go to services and go to EC2 uh, and click on EC2 and just go to launch instance, and I have to give a name of an instance first. Here I am giving Ubuntu 67. Okay, guys, need to select Ubuntu. Okay, here now we will go to create a new key pair and just give your name of key pair. Okay, here I am giving U67 and create a key pair. Okay, now perform all the steps as per shown in this video and go to launch instance. Where instance is successfully created, go to view all instance. Okay, just select your instance, which one you created, okay? Okay, now try to connect it. Okay, to connect your instance, we require footage generator, okay? And perform all the steps to connect instance as per shown in my video. Just perform it. Okay, go to PTGen and go to load your file. Okay, which file is loaded here? Okay, we need to load a PAM file, right? And save a private key and then save it. Okay, okay. Go to down booty and then give a host name, which is your IP address. Then go to SSH and auth and then just go to connect, right? This is how your Ubuntu instance is connected and okay, accept it. Okay, login as your user name or to your instance name by your instance name. Here I am giving Ubuntu, and this is how your Ubuntu instance is connected, guys. Okay, you can perform some commands like pwd, date, and many more like ls command. Many commands are there. You can perform it and create wonderful files and folders and many things, guys. Okay, now I need to terminate my instance. Just minimize it first and then go to terminate instance. We can terminate it by go to instance state and clicking on terminate instance, and this is how you can create your instance. Okay, so thank you for visiting my channel, and uh, thank you for giving a good support, guys. Thank you.